Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some crafting items that this company sent me. I believe it's called Olycrafts or Olycrafts or something like that. I think Olycrafts or Olycraft. And I will have the link below in the description box where you can go and find these products. They reached out to me and asked if I would review some of their products. So this is just an unboxing. It comes in a bag like this, but it's all very nice and wrapped up. I've opened the packages just so I could show you what it is. So I'll just show you as it comes out here. These are, what are these? These are snowflakes, and you pour resin into it. Let me see. I think I had an open box here that I was going to show you, and I don't know where I left it. Okay, so first of all, I should show you this. It comes with a packing slip like this, and they sent me a box like this with different samples that they have. Let me just open this. Very nice little box. This one has basically all just these kind of snowflakes in them. And what you do is you pour your resin in here, and then I guess you can add sparkles or whatever. I'm not quite familiar with this either, but I'm going to order some resin, or I have ordered some. Then I will be trying these out to see how they work. And yeah, and you can do all kinds. They have little deers, and then they have the little notch here, so you can add it to jewelry. You can make earrings. You can make ornaments. You know, all kinds of goodies. There's a deer and a Christmas tree. And they have snowmen. These are really cute. They're tiny, and they have little snowmen. This is a gold one. Yeah, that's a gold one. This is the silver one. This is a brass one, or like an antique one. So cute. I just love these. And here's a gold deer. So cute. I think these will be beautiful once they're done. And I will be sure to show you what they look like. And I believe these are the snowflakes. Let me open this up and show you just to make sure. Yeah, it comes very nicely packed, and it's like a heavy, durable product. It says Panda Hall Elite, creative on fingertips. And it's also a sister company of bbcrafts.com. But they only have, I believe they only have like resin stuff. Oh, okay, so this is a whole nother box. Yeah, these are all snowflakes. And just really cute. And I believe you can put like a picture in here and pour resin over that. I think it works like that. But like I said, I'm not familiar with resin, so I don't know exactly how that works. They gave me these little rubber finger protectors. These little cups to work with. And here are some earring findings. And here are some head pins. And these are the little loop things for earrings. And here are little bead covers. And here is the string for the jewelry. So this is all to make jewelry. And now these are the molds that they sent to make like your beads. So what you do is you have your resin. I guess you mix it in these little cups. And then you take your little syringe. They send you these little syringes and you put it in there and then you put it into these little molds. So these would be probably make round beads, but the longer ones, or are these? Maybe they are round in there. But anyway, you would do your beads and then you can pop them out like this. That is so cool. I cannot wait to do these. And these are, so I guess these are like that round, and these are this way. These are like a ball round. And these are a little bit bigger than these ones. But they all have the little spike in there for the hole. And then these are the square ones. So I am really excited to try these. I'm just waiting on my resin to come in, and then I will demonstrate how they work. But yeah, they send this to you in a beautiful little case. And I guess you can order like the different ones that you want. But I will leave the link below to this, and you can check out for yourself. But I'm very excited to be making my own beads. I have never done anything like that before. I've seen Stacy from Stacy's Stash. She has been making some of her own mold, or not her own molds, but she's been pouring stuff into molds, and it's turning out really cool. So when they asked me to do this, I was like, yes, I will surely try it. So thank you so much, Olycraft, for sending these products. I am so happy to try them out. And please continue watching my videos for an update on these, and I will show you how I use them. And I'll be doing everything on camera for the first time, so you can do it with me and learn with me. So thank you for joining me. We'll talk to you later. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. And yeah, stay tuned for what I'm going to be doing with these. Thank you. Bye.